Alright guys, welcome again to my tutorial video today on how you can register on BNBOcean. I will show you step-by-step strategy how you can register, how you can get in and start getting reward monthly, weekly based on the contract you select. BNBOcean is a staking platform where you stake their OSEX token for a long time. You can stake it for 9 months, for 18 months, and start getting reward on a daily basis, monthly basis. So at the end of the cycle, you are going to get your token. You are going, but if you want to be, you can be making money daily while you are staking right now. So if you want to even withdraw, you will withdraw in USDT if you want to withdraw your profit on a daily basis. But when you stake it, leave it for a long time, as the coin growing, you are going to be making money. So at the end of the day, you are going to get the token. You can convert the token to USDT, but right now at the moment you can still make money while you are holding the token for long time, for long time project where you can just have it on your back office while you are still making money on a daily. By just taking it, you will use your USDT to buy the token and hold it for a long time. You are going to also be making money on a daily, weekly basis by withdrawing in their token and convert the token into USDT for long time project. So how can you register right now? When you click on the link down below this video, you are going to put your email around this area. Then you are going to send an OTP. Send OTP. All right. So when you send OTP, you are going to receive an OTP like this. Let me show you. So they will send OTP to you like this on your email address. All right. So when you send, they will now send it to you on your email address. All right. They will send it to you. Then you copy the OTP sent to you. Then you insert it where they ask you to insert the OTP. All right. When you insert it, you are good to go. Then you after they just insert it where they ask you to insert the OTP. Then your account will be fully verified. So let me show you how your account will be after you successfully register. So once you register successfully, your account will be like this afresh. Your account will be like this once you successfully register your account. All right, it's very, very simple and easy. So the next step right now is to just make sure you guys to activate your account by funding it with USDT. So how can you do that? I will show you in my next comment, but let me just show you a random how you are going to do it. You just come to deposit here. All right, then you can fund it with either BNB, Theta, TRC, wherever. Then you click on generate wallets, but I will show you that one in my next coming video so that you can understand. So once your money reflects, you now decide to come to purchase staking. Then you proceed with purchase staking. Then your account will be fully verified. You can also connect your account with your, you click on this area, you connect your account, or you can copy the links. All right, then you go to either your token pocket. Let me show you. When you click on this connect wallet, you click on this connect wallet, then you can select any. They have many wallets they are using. They have Binance, they have Trust Wallet, they have token pockets. So if you want to use on mobile, you can. If you are using it on browser, you can select browser. Then you can use you can see just this is browser, this is mobile. Then you scan it wherever, then you are good to go. So I will show you in how you can do that. So on your browser, wherever, do you understand me? Then you get it, then you click on extension and open it. So but don't worry, I will show you that one in my next coming video. But this video just is how can you register and start so this is how your dashboard will look like when you first register your account. Then you are good to go. So try to follow, like, comment on this video. If you don't understand anything, make sure you join my WhatsApp group or Telegram. You can message me on WhatsApp to ask me any question based on this staking, BNBOcean staking, how can you make money with it, how can you get paid with it. You are going to get everything step by step. How can you start making money, how it works, how can you start making money with BNBOcean. It's very, very simple and easy. So I will show you in my next coming videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now, guys.